Guys, I'm making chicken stir fry. I already cut the vegetables and washed the chicken and cut in cubes. And I have green pepper, red onions, red pepper, jalapeno pepper, and you can do whichever vegetable you like. The seasoning you would need is 1 tablespoon of the cumin powder. I'm putting half tablespoon of lemon pepper, half tablespoon of black pepper, 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, salt according to your taste. I have half tablespoon of onion powder and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and half tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and olive oil. I'm gonna put some olive oil, just about 2 to 3 tablespoons.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna add the chicken now.
Yeah, the chicken is my favorite, guys. The chicken is my favorite.
So cook it until all the pink goes away. This is breast, so it doesn't take that long to cook. You're gonna cook for another 2-3 minutes before I start adding the seasoning. When you see the water is completely getting dry, then you're gonna add the seasoning. You can add more seasoning according to your taste. More like spices, such as if you want it spicier, so you can add more. I just added enough that I know my kids can actually eat too, because they can't eat too much of the spicy. I'm gonna saute this. It should look like this. I just cooked it with seasoning for just about 3 to 5 minutes. It should look like this. And now I'm gonna take some of it out for my girls, because they don't like vegetables. So I'm just gonna take some of it out, and I'm gonna add more spices to my taste and vegetables. Pressure out, and now I'm gonna add the vegetables in there. Okay, so the chicken and the vegetables, I'm just gonna add all-purpose seasoning, a little bit more in there, and probably a little bit more cayenne pepper for spice. Vegetables do release their water a little bit, so it's gonna have a little bit. You can add any vegetables that you like. what me and my husband like. So you can have this over some fried rice or plain white rice.